Good day, dear friends. Hearty welcome to Don Bosco ITI to all the trainees who are admitted in the academic year 2020-21. I am Father Dominic Dinesh, the principal of Don Bosco ITI. As we are going to soon begin online introductory classes for you, today I would like to take you around a virtual tour around Don Bosco ITI's website to know something more about your institution and to introduce you some of our staff members. Let us go to the website. Our web ID is www.donboscoitihassan.in. You can browse through the website to know more about our institution, the activities that are going on in the institution. To know some of the informations are not yet loaded because our website is just less than a year old. We are still developing the website, but some of the information you can get to know by going through this website. We have mainly for you to get to know about your courses and training. Find some information here, and with regarding to the training activities, recognition, the course that you have chosen, and the certification by the Government of India. The details are now here, and you are a very lucky group, as we have also begun online training program, especially our exam portal is almost ready, and therein during your training you will very much make use of this exam portal for revision, taking test, and learn by yourself. It is in the process of development. Much more features will be soon added to this portal. So these are available here. Regarding to some of the events that are taking place in the ITI, if you click on the events, you will come to know that on 1st October 2020 we have begun the first year ITI training, that is the last year's pending batch. We have started the class for them, keeping in all the regulations of COVID-19 norms. And you will see, if you click on the previous slide, you will get to know also about the classes regarding the second years, which we began on 21st September 2020, and the students are now under training to complete their course. And you will get to know all the events that are happening in the IT are here through this tab. You will come to know how the institution is functioning, what are different activities during the year that will be going on. All the details you will find here. The different programs that we have conducted in the past 1 year. Our website was inaugurated on August 16th, and from then onwards you will find a lot of activities that have happened during the year apart from your regular training program. So we, Don Bosco Institution, give a lot of importance for your own personality development and career building by supporting you with a lot of life skill and soft skill training programs. And we are also associated with industries and agencies that help us and support us. You will get to know details of the industries that we are in collaboration with under this tab. You will know that we are connected with some top leading companies who are in collaboration with us, are supporting us in the training program. And to get to know some photographs and about our institution, if you go to the gallery, you may find some photos with regarding to the various events and activities that we have conducted in the past academic year. Then in the infrastructure, you can find classrooms and labs that are available in our institution. This is the electrical lab, the trainees are undergoing some practicals there. This is the motor mechanic vehicles lab. The trainees are, and these are classrooms. This is again electrical lab. This is electronics lab. The boys are there with the trainer. This is again motor mechanic lab. We have also a full-fledged computer lab where we give sufficient stress to educate our trainees in computer knowledge, and this motor mechanic vehicle classroom. So you have an overview of our institution by looking. We also have a hostel for boys, and these are hostel boys of 2019-20 batch. These are the community of Don Bosco Salvation Society with the domestic staff in the house. And we have the dormitory here. The boys are accommodated. This is the study hall where the boys study, and some lighter moments during the year along with the staff, domestic staff, taking an outing. So you will get to know much more when you are here with us, and we are also very excited and eager to start the classes for you. But unfortunately, the COVID-19 has disturbed the academic program. Hope that situations will soon subside and you will be able to come to the campus to build your career. Dear students, you have chosen in your life to do ITI training. ITI training is to make you efficient technicians for tomorrow's industry. Unless some of you want to continue your studies and take up Polytechnic, BTech engineering and MTech engineering, the others would be largely a workforce in the industry of tomorrow. In our ITI, we have 3 trades: electrician, motor mechanic vehicle or motor vehicle mechanic, and the electronic mechanic. You will basically have 5 subjects in your first year, now also in your second year. The main subject is trade theory, the theoretical aspects of whatever you are going to study, and that will be covering up for 2 years. You will have another subject, second main or the first main actually, trade practical, because you are going to be technicians and you will have every day more than 3 hours of practical lab for 2 years. And the third subject is workshop calculation and science. This is mostly applied maths and applied science, which will be also a textbook for 2 years. And employability skill, from this year onwards you will be having for both for first year as well as second year, which basically deals with communication skills, computer skills, behavior skills, and other managerial skills that is required for you to be a technician. The other one more subject is engineering drawing, where we will learn a lot of engineering drawing to draw things with proper measurement and accuracy. So this is basically the subjects that you will be studying for ITI. And except for practical and drawing, from now onwards the other exams are online, which means it is computer based examinations, and it is also objective types. The question and answers will be given, you will have to tick the right answer. And the drawing, you have to draw the drawing and submit. Practicals, you will be asked to do your practical in the lab and submit it with the Viva or oral exam. So I wish you all the best for your training. From Monday 5th October onwards, our staff members will be pasting different programs for you in the group. Basically, the first few days all will have common subjects, like whether you are an electrician or mechanical or electronics student, you will have to know the basics of everything. Basics of electronics, basics of electrical, basics of motor mechanic. So the first few days you will have common subjects to you. So you can see the schedule that from 5th, that is from Monday onwards, you will receive a certain PDF files in the WhatsApp group with subjects as you see in this table. Monday, Ms. Gita Madam will be taking basics of electronics, and 6th, Lokesh sir will be taking basics of engineering drawing, and 7th, Pramod sir will take engineering safety precautions that are required in the lab. On 8th, William sir will be taking basics of motor mechanic, and 9th, Satish sir will be introducing you to workshop calculation and science. And on 10th Saturday, all of you are welcome to Don Bosco ITI. From wherever you are, try to plan and come to Don Bosco ITI. You will have a half a day of orientation classes here. You will get to know your instructors, the number of books that you need, and type of training that you will have to go through, and you can clarify all your doubts with the instructors and carry on with your online classes until we give you further order. And basically until we complete the second year batch, which will be going out, until then you will continue online classes most probably till the first week of November. Until then, you are welcome to the ITI to clarify your doubts, to get suggestions, and to get guidance from the instructors. But the method of teaching will be for you to depend on online. We will not take live classes in the beginning. You will get all the materials in the WhatsApp group, and also audio and video recorded file. You can go through and get yourself exposed to those subjects. I wish you all the best, as our staff members will be starting their class soon. Good luck. Goodbye.